Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuraisyah Puji Ingkan Karim, NIM A320210030 from class H. Today I will discuss the article Translation Techniques Revisited, a Dynamic and Functionalist Approach, written by Lucia Molina and Amparo Hurtado Albir, and I'm going to talk about a new approach to more dynamic translation techniques. In this article, the author highlights confusion in the use of translation engineering terms, method, and strategies. These terms often overlap, making our understanding of translation unclear. Translation techniques are defined as tools of analysis to examine how equality between short text and translated text can be achieved. The approach proposed by the author is a functional approach in which translation techniques are chosen based on function and context. This suggests that translation is not a rigid process, but is flexible and adaptive according to the needs of the text and the reader. The next is this article describes several translation techniques, including the first is borrowing, or words directly from the source language. The second is kalku, which is a literal translation of the phrase. The third is modulation, which changes perspective or viewpoint. The fourth is adaptation, is adjusting the cultural context to be more relevant. The fifth is compensation, is used to convey meaning or effect that cannot be translated directly. The author emphasizes that these techniques are not always right or wrong. The choice of techniques should be based on the function and context presented. It emphasizes the importance of considering the situation when translating so that the translation result match the intended purpose and audience. The last is conclusion. In conclusion, this approach extends by the way we understand translation as a flexible and adaptive process. By understanding the cultural and linguistic context of the text, translators can adapt translation techniques to effectively convey the original message. And the next is about the Translation Quality Assessment Model, or TQA, a model developed specifically to assess the quality of translations from English to Indonesian as a whole. TQA was developed to provide a comprehensive assessment of translation from English to Indonesian. This model considers three main aspects: its accuracy, acceptance, and readability, which we will discuss further. These three aspects are key in the assessment of TQA. First, accuracy means that the message in the translated text must completely match the original text. Second is acceptance, ensures that the translation result remain consistent with the norms and culture of the target language. And finally, readability is how easy it is for the reader to understand the translation text. Although TQA offers a comprehensive approach, there are challenges in implementing it. For example, ensuring consistency of assessment. for different content types, limitation on the number of trained assessors, and in-depth training requirements for assessors to implement this model properly. Okay, the next to assist in the assessment, the TQI model use three main instruments rated on the scale of 1 to 3. With the scale, the assessor can give a more detailed assessment of smaller units, such as words or phrases, but still pay attention to context to make the result more accurate. Okay, this model is flexible enough to be applied in various environments, both in professional research and educational environments. TQA can also adapt for different text type and translation tasks. Okay, then the last is conclusion. In conclusion, TQA is a model designed to assess the quality of translation accurately and comprehensively. With good training, TQA can be effectively applied in multiple contexts to improve the quality of translation results. Okay, that is my presentation about the article. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.